In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion database to Google Sheets. Start by opening Notion in your browser. Make sure you're already signed in, because in a moment you'll need access to the database or page you want to connect. Once Notion is open, leave that tab available and then open Google Sheets in another tab. Inside Google Sheets, open a blank spreadsheet or the sheet where you want your Notion data to appear. At the top of the page, click Extensions. From there, hover over Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace search bar, type Coefficient. When the app appears in the results, click it. You'll see the app page open, and from there, click Install. Google will ask you to choose your Google account and confirm permissions. Click Continue, then review the access request. If there are permission checkboxes or approval screens, allow them and continue through the setup. When the installation is complete, click Done. Now go back to your Google Sheet. You should see Coefficient appear, usually in the right sidebar or available through the Extensions menu. If this is your first time using it, follow the initial prompts on screen so the add-on can finish setting itself up inside your spreadsheet. Once the sidebar is ready, look for the option that says Import From. Click that, and from the list of available data sources, find Notion under the suggested sources. Select Notion to begin the connection. At this point, Coefficient will ask you to authorize access to your Notion workspace. Click Authorize. A new Notion tab will open so you can choose which pages or databases the app is allowed to read. In that Notion permission window, click Select Pages. Now choose the content you want to connect. You can locate a specific page or database or select multiple items if needed. If you want broad access, you can select all relevant pages. But if you only need one database, it's better to choose just that one so the connection stays clean and easy to manage. After making your selection, confirm it and return to Google Sheets. Back in the Coefficient sidebar, choose the option to import from a table in columns. You'll then see an Import Preview area. Here, select the exact Notion database you want to bring into Google Sheets. If more than one database is available, make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. Click Next and wait while the preview loads. Depending on the size of your database, this may take a few seconds. Once the preview appears, you'll be able to customize what comes into the sheet. This is where you control the rows and columns before importing. Take a moment here to review the fields. If there are columns you don't need, simply uncheck them so they won't be imported. This is a good way to keep your spreadsheet organized and avoid clutter. You can leave only the most useful properties like status, dates, names, tags, or any other fields relevant to your workflow. When everything looks right, go to the upper right area of the sidebar and click Import. Google Sheets will begin pulling in the data from your selected Notion database. Give it a moment to finish. Once the import is complete, you'll see your Notion database content appear directly in the spreadsheet. At this point, the connection is working. Your Notion data is now inside Google Sheets, and you can use it for tracking, reporting, filtering, or whatever process you need. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's quickly cover how to keep the data updated. If you make changes in Notion later, those updates do not always appear instantly in the spreadsheet unless you refresh the connection. To do that, go back to the Coefficient panel in Google Sheets and click Refresh. That will pull in the latest changes from your Notion database. You can also automate this so you don't have to refresh manually every time. In the right sidebar, look for the Refresh Scheduling option. Turn on the Refresh Schedule toggle. After that, you can click Edit to choose how often the sheet should update. Set the timing based on how frequently your Notion database changes. For example, if you update Notion throughout the day, a more frequent refresh may be useful. If the data changes less often, a daily schedule might be enough. Once your schedule is saved, Coefficient will keep the Google Sheet updated according to the timing you selected. That makes this setup especially helpful if you want a reporting sheet that stays synced with your Notion workspace. And that's it. You successfully connected a Notion database to Google Sheets, imported the data, and set up refresh options so your spreadsheet can stay current.